So I've found it really insightful, the presentations that I've seen so far. The presenters really are getting to the nub of the issue, and actually really quite excited by the number of projects that are going on to improve outcomes for packaging around the world. Really surprised to see how much activity there actually is and how many changes there are out there. I think the one that particularly stood out was the recycling of polypropylene and the fact that maybe we could get to food contact applications for this recycled plastic in the not too distant future.
Yeah, it's been interesting, valuable speakers. Met a few of the other attendees here and had some good conversations already. I think there's a lot of people that are at a kind of a good level in that they've got a lot of knowledge and they're in jobs where they are kind of actively involved in making the difference. So that's quite positive, yeah.
The topics that I saw are very interesting. I think everybody has their own area of interest, but I think that on innovation and sustainability, where sort of my interests lie, I can think there's some cool stuff to learn. I think, yeah, definitely.
It's a good opportunity to see experts on this industry talking about things that are on top of the agenda: sustainability, innovation. Right? In particular, for me, it's good to listen and to learn from other markets.